Hello, ladies and gentlemen. It is I, Brandon Wynn, back again for Critical Failure. So, the third creature in the Monster Manual that is a demon. Not gonna lie, I can see it being pronounced two different ways, so I feel stupid if I mispronounce this, and I'm not gonna do the diving for it, but it could be the Chasme or the Chasme. Uh, it looks like a fucking beetle mixed with a hornet, honestly. But this thing This thing's lore says this loathsome demon resembles an unspeakable crossing of a humanoid and a fly. Not really. I can see the fly, but it looks like a beetle and a hornet. Like the only thing humanoid about it is the fact that it has like possible like appendage looking hands like a fucking praying mantis. It has pincers instead of like scythe hands. I'm going to say a Chasme. It's going to be a whole lot easier for me to say that. A Chasme shuffles about on four spindly legs that can find purchase on walls and ceilings. Droning sound precedes the approach of a Chasme, inflicting foes with a terrible lethargy that leaves them open to attack. Excuse me. The lowly Chasme serve more powerful masters as interrogators or taskmasters. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. If all I heard was like the droning of a massive and like say like the way I imagine this is like if you hear like the buzzing of like a wasp's nest that's like a large one, it's nothing like but bugs, and like you can hear it in like shows and like cartoons and stuff. It's like that buzzing sound, but it's coming from one of them and it's like right next to you and you hear that in and out. Like you don't even have to get tortured. Like I'd fucking get like I'd give up my secrets. It's like fuck it, I don't give a shit. Interrogation, nah. As soon as I heard that, I'd give it up. But Shazme lives to dole out torture as punishment and has a knack for spotting demons that have deserted their lords. Capturing and returning such traitors allows a Shazme to torment the victim without fear of reprisal. I wonder what it does if it captures one that left another demon lord. Like, does it give a shit? Probably not. Probably not. The stats of this demon. The Shazme is a large fiend, demon specifically, and a chaotic evil. Natural armor class of 15. Average hit points of 84. 13d10 plus 13. It has a walking speed of 20 and a fly speed of 60 feet. Its strength is 15 plus 2. Dexterity of 15 plus 2. Constitution of 12 plus 1. Intelligence of 11 plus 0. Wisdom of 14 plus 2. And a charisma of 10 plus 0. So I have no idea where the fuck its mouth is, but it can speak abyssal and has telepathy up to 120 feet, so I'm going to skip over that. That means that this thing has a +3 to its proficiency bonus. Its saving throws are dexterity +5 and wisdom +5, which I don't know why it's a proficiency bonus early, but there you go. Its proficient skills are perception +5. I mean, I can see acrobatics possibly being a thing because this thing flies around. It's resistant to cold, fire, and lightning damage, and it's immune to being poisoned and poison damage. It has blind sight up to 10 feet and dark vision up to 120, and it has a passive perception of 15. It's a challenge rating 6, 2300. Wow, that is higher than the Bulgura. That's impressive. Okay, I can see why. It has ability called Drone. The Shazme produces a horrid droning sound to which demons are immune. Any other creature that starts his turn within 30 feet of the Shazme must succeed on a DC 12 Constitution saving throw or fall unconscious for, wow, 10 minutes. Wow. A creature that can hear the drone automatically succeeds on the save, so blindness, deafness might work a little bit. And the effect of the creature ends if it takes damage or if a creature takes an action to splash it with holy water. If a creature's saving throw is successful on an effect ends for a creature saving. Wow, hold on. If a creature saving throw is successful or the effect ends for it, it is immune to the drone for the next 24 hours. That I struggled through that, so I apologize. But I can totally see like several Shazmes being in a place together, and then one uses its own ability, and then they just proceed to do that in a circle until everything's unconscious. And then say there's a battle or it just absolutely beats the absolute fuck out of them while like the party or whoever is there while they're prone, so it's automatic crit and advantage because they're prone. Yeah. Beat dicks. It has magic resistance, which surprisingly the Balgura does not. The Chasme has advantage on saving throws against spells and other magical effects. Excuse me. It has spider climb, so it can climb difficult surfaces, including upside down on ceilings, without needing to make an ability check. Because makes sense, it's an insect. And it has only one action, and it's Proboscis. It's a melee weapon attack, +5 to hit, reach of 5 feet, one creature only. Hit point average of 16, 4d6 plus 2 piercing damage, plus 24 average, 7d6 necrotic damage. And it says, and the target's hit point maximum is reduced by the amount equal to the necrotic damage taken. If this effect reduces a creature's hit point maximum to 0, the creature dies. This reduction to a creature's hit point maximum lasts until the creature finishes a long rest or is affected by spell like Greater Restoration. Wow, that's actually really specific. Anyways, aside for all my flubs over my own speech, mainly with the lore, I apologize on that, but hopefully, I'm already flubbing again. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and please leave a like and subscribe and comment down below what you would like to see. Please share this to your friends and show them the channel. It'd mean a lot to me. Stay tuned for more of the demons from the Monster Manual. See you guys in the next video.